Aloe vera is easily one of our favorite and most versatile ingredients. So here are 15 ways to use it for your skin and hair. You can either use store-bought or homemade aloe vera. To make it at home, you can buy a leaf or cut one from an aloe plant. Once you've cut it, let the latex drain for 15 minutes and then rinse. Cut the exterior of the leaf away and stir the gel in chunks or blend it into a liquid. Bust pigmentation by combining aloe and turmeric into an easy-to-use face gel. Apply it on pigmented areas or all over and then rinse. Fight acne with aloe infused with green tea. You can use it as a lightweight mask or spot treat stubborn acne with it instead. Fade away dark circles with a caffeinated under-eye gel. Just mix together some instant coffee and aloe vera and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Catch up on your beauty sleep with this 2-ingredient sleeping mask. Combine some aloe vera and a vitamin E capsule together and spread it evenly over your face before bedtime to let it absorb overnight. Boost hair growth with a mixture of aloe vera and coconut oil. Apply it with a cotton pad, massage it in and wash after at least an hour. These soothing ice cubes work on acne or on post-hair removal irritation. Just add a few drops of tea tree oil to some aloe, freeze and use one whenever you need it. Make your own detox mask by adding some activated charcoal to aloe. Apply a thin layer all over for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off for deeply cleansed skin. Make your lashes and brows grow extra fast. Mix up aloe vera and castor oil and swipe it on with a spoolie. Got dry patches? Give them extra nourishment with some aloe and Vaseline for super smooth, hydrated skin. Combine aloe vera, apple cider vinegar and dilute it with water. Spray it on 30 minutes before washing your hair to get rid of flakes forever. Never dry shave again. Make your own shaving gel with aloe vera and baby oil for the smoothest shave ever. Get rid of stubborn makeup with one swipe. Mix aloe, almond oil and water together. Shake well and use it on a cotton pad to take off even waterproof makeup. Hydrate and soothe your skin with a gentle toner of aloe and rose water. Spray it on whenever your skin needs a pick-me-up. Scrape away dead skin with the easiest scrub ever. Take some aloe vera and sugar and gently scrub rough patches for baby soft skin. Fight frizz with aloe vera, a few drops of olive oil and water. Spray it onto damp hair and then style as usual. Learn how to use some of our other favorite ingredients here, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.